Right, today I'm making quite a large batch of sauce, but I'm not doing it in a pan, I'm doing it in the microwave. That way it doesn't burn, unless of course you cook it too long. But if you follow these instructions, you'll get a lovely batch of smooth sauce, and there'll be enough to freeze some. Now these ingredients here, we've got 900 ml of milk, 80 grams of butter, 80 grams of plain flour, salt and pepper. That would make a basic white sauce. You could add parsley to that or dill to make a sauce for fish. But if I add in a teaspoonful of English mustard and 200 grams of grated mature cheddar cheese, it will make a good strong cheese sauce that you can use to combine dishes together. So we start off by putting the butter in the jug and giving it a minute in the microwave. Cover the jug in cling film, otherwise it will spit and mess up your microwave. This is a 2-litre jug and it's not too tall for the microwave. Actually, it only took 30 seconds on high. You know when it starts to spit that it's melted. So into that we're going to add the flour, the salt, the pepper, I've used white pepper for this, by the way, and English mustard. So the secret to a good smooth sauce is using a whisk. So we'll blend all these together. Now the secret of a good sauce is cooking the flour. So we put the cling film back on and we're going to cook that for about 40 seconds. If you don't do that, your sauce will thicken, but it will taste floury. It's the cooking that you would normally do in a pan that stops it from tasting floury. So into the microwave for 40 seconds. So that's the roux done. So now we need to add in some milk. Whisk it like mad. So back on with the cling film, and I'm going to cook this in 3 minutes per, I'm going to give this 3 minutes in the microwave and then whisk it, and I shall keep doing that, whisking it each time till the sauce boils and thickens. Right, as you can see now the sauce has boiled and it's thickened. And it's smooth, it's lovely. It's taken 8 minutes. So here's 200 grams of grated mature cheddar cheese going in. And all that's left is to stir that until the cheese melts in. Ready to go. So what I will do, I'll use half of this for a recipe, and the rest of it I shall put in the freezer, and then next time I need a cheese sauce I'll have one just ready. No sign of any burning. And an easy way to do something, I do it. So there you go, cheese sauce done.